loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, this will be a pretty much like a soft glam makeup tutorial for my beginners out there. You know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and this is something that you can definitely do for that holiday. It's super pretty and super easy. Now, the products that I used in this video, some of them were a bit on the expensive side, but you guys can definitely find dupes or eyeshadow palettes with the same exact colors that I used. So yeah, I hope you all are interested in seeing how I got this look, and if you are, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Stop. No, stop it. Stop. Bless you, Bubbles. That's my dog, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera just because I feel like you guys have seen me do this so many times and she's acting so crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna go do my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys will hear my dog panting in the background. We're gonna ignore her. So first things first, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my full face first. I don't normally do that, but I guess we'll kind of switch it up for today's video. So as you guys know, I have been loving, you know what, first. So I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer first, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and rub this on my face. Bubbles, no, you gotta stop, because I know they can hear you, because you acting real crazy. You guys, a great dupe for this product is actually the Maybelline Baby Skin. That one, it feels the exact same and it does the same exact thing. So you guys can definitely go in with that one if you don't have this. So you guys know that I have been loving this. This is a face oil, but it's also a primer. I realized that somebody in the last video commented that I didn't use any primer, but this is actually a primer. Anything that you use before your foundation can be considered a primer. Lotion can be a primer. So this is the Milani Prep and Smooth Camellia face oil. Love this stuff. Go in with a little bit of this. And as you guys can see, it says prep and smooth. So this could be considered your primer prep before your foundation. And then for my illuminator to blur and illuminate, this is also a primer as well. This is the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm just gonna take a small bit of this and rub this all on my face. And for today's foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place I Am Magic foundation. I love this foundation. This is in a shade 400 Ethiopia. You definitely don't need a lot of this. I kind of get sad every time I put on foundation because it covers up my freckles. And I don't know, y'all, just get really sad about that. Okay, and now for concealers, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty concealer first underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, and my forehead, and then go over that with Juvias Place concealer in the shade 16, and the Fenty is in the shade 330. And then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and just blend everything all out. I've been using this, actually I first used this in my, I think like 2 videos ago, and I have been loving this, and I've only been using this ever since. Like, this is so good, so soft, and it's very affordable. It's like $7. So I'm gonna blend everything out with this. So our concealer is blended out, and I'm gonna go in with my Airpsun Loose Face Setting Powder. Also been loving this mixed with my Milk Makeup Setting Powder, and these two together, they blend so perfectly and I don't get flashback at all. And then I'm gonna go in with my Milk Makeup. Now I'm looking a little ghosty right now, but don't worry, we are about to fix that. To bronze up my face, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is, if I could open it, I can never, okay, there we go. This is in the shade Cocoa Naughty. And as you guys can see, it's like a pretty bronzy brown. And it has like a hint of red undertone, and I'm pretty yellow, so I feel like this will complement my face very well. So we're just gonna dab into this and go ahead and add this to our face. And I'm not doing any cream contour today, only because, like, oh no, I don't feel the need to do that today. So we're just keeping it real light but still very glam. Okay, and now for blush, I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop Blush in the shade Glass Slipper. It's like this really nice rosy pink shade, and this complements my skin complexion very well. You can never not add blush to your foundation routine. And that's crazy because I used to hate blush, but right now, like, blush is like crucial to my everyday face wear, and I'm just obsessed with it. I love blush, okay? So right now our face is pretty much done for the most part. I'm just gonna go in with my Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumbers, and green tea. And I'm just gonna spray this all over my face because it will help set it once we're done. Just a light spritz. Okay, and now we're gonna jump onto our eyes. Now we are up close and personal, and we're going to jump onto the eyes. So I did prime my eyes with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but I'm just gonna go over it again just with a little bit of the product, and I'm going to blend out that concealer with my Real Techniques blending brush. Okay, you guys, so in today's video, I'm like super excited to be using this palette. This is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette. This is new, and I recently decided to purchase this. Can you guys just take a minute and just appreciate these beautiful colors? Like, they're so, like, it's just a range of warm, you have your cool, then you have your very neutral colors, and then your pop of colors with shimmers as well. All in one palette, and this is only about 12 shades. Now, what I am going to say was that this palette was actually very pricey, and if you are like me and you like to save your coins but still, you know, look cute, I would not recommend this palette because this was like, what, about $50 just for this. So if you are a Morphe girl, I recommend you guys go and spend your coins on the Morphe palettes. You get way more eyeshadow palettes in there, and it's also very inexpensive. But today I'm going to be using this palette because I bought it and I need to use it. So yeah, so we're going to use this, and I am going to dip into this orange shade down here. This is called Mocktail. And I'm going to go in and use that as a transition shade. This palette is going to be our go-to for our soft glam look today. And guys, another thing, this palette smells amazing. Like, it smells so good. And then I'm going to go in with She's Lit, which is that soft pink shade. And I'm just going to dust this over my actual lid. And then going into BYOB, I'm going to dip into that shade and also the Saucy and Bossy shade. And I'm just going to take this brown shade, just in my crease area, just to deepen up the look just a little bit, just to add a bit more depth to it. And then I'm going back into our transition shade brush, and I'm just going to blend that brown shade and our first transition shade together, just to get rid of that harsh line in our crease area, because we kind of want everything to look like very evenly blended. Okay, and I am gonna do like a little wing. I'm just gonna add like a small wing to my eyes. So before I apply my lashes, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline mascara. So before I apply my lashes, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline mascara. And I'm going to go in with some eyeliner in my waterline. So I went in and popped my lashes on. Now these are lashes from my lash line. I haven't announced anything yet, but soon I will be. So just be on the lookout for that. I'm super excited about these and I love these lashes. Okay, now jumping back into the palette, I'm going to go in with the burnt orange transition shade that we used in the beginning. And I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyeliner in my waterline. And I'm applying BYOB closer to my eyeliner just so that it can look like it's actually smudged. Okay, and then dipping into Buzzkill and Last Call, I'm just going to apply this in the inner tear duct. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going in with the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama. I like this mascara because the wand is super tiny, so it definitely gets into my lashes. And now for highlight, I'm going in with the Milani Strobe Light. This is in the shade 03 Sun Glow. And this is like a very pretty champagne color, so I'm going to try this out. Okay, and I'm going to go in and spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For my lips, I'm going in with the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Toast. So you guys were obsessing over this lip combo in the last video. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade 55 Driver. And this color gives off like the perfect nude ever. Alrighty, love, so that pretty much completes today's video. If you have made it towards the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I think it's super cute, very doable, very easy, and yeah. So before we go, today's motivational quote is, God has it all mapped out. He's aware of every obstacle. He's committed to walk beside you so that you never have to face them alone. So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.